If you really want to take your video creation to another level, the Insta360 Flow is an AI-powered gimbal that can make your footage look ultra smooth whilst also giving you a bunch of other useful features. Deploying the gimbal is super fast. With the mount already attached to your phone, it magnetically attaches to the gimbal, and then you unfold the gimbal, turn it on, and you're ready to go. As well as being a gimbal for smooth footage, it can also act as a tripod with the integrated feet, and it can also double up as a selfie stick so you can get more into your shots. It has AI tracking, so you can track a subject and keep it in frame. You don't need a cameraman, this gimbal can do it for you. It has person identification, so you can keep it on one person, staying focused on them, even if another person comes into the shot. And there's always on tracking, so if you leave the frame or go behind an object, it will lock back on when you come back into shot. The smart wheel lets you control the gimbal in a number of ways, including hitting record, panning the gimbal, and quickly rotating between horizontal and vertical. The trigger button can also do a bunch of stuff like recenter the gimbal and flip it around for selfie video or photo.